Hello, in this video we will learn how to solve a 5 by 5 evil twin cube. It is an extended version of the 4 by 4 evil twin cube. We have some similarities in the way of solving these two, but also we should say that there are some differences in the structure between these two. Here we have two symmetric two same cubes. In fact, we solve each one in the same way. Here we do not have two symmetric cubes. Here we have, in fact, a little cube which is here. I will try to isolate this cube and show it to you, and then we have all the rest around this little cube. So there are no two symmetric cubes like the case of the 4 by 4. So this, and here it is. You see this cube here. This is the 3 by 3, and it's red, green, and yellow, and it has limitations of movements. I will scramble it. It can only move around these faces that I am turning, and we will have to solve it only by using these faces. Okay, now it's scrambled, let's say. So to solve it, we have to build first the cross, the elements of the cross, then we insert the corners, and then we do the upper layer. Okay, I will try to consider that the red would be my top layer. Let me see. Yeah, why not? Red. We have red here, we have red. Okay, I will start. If I find any contradiction, then I will change my strategy of having chosen the red. So to build the cross, we have to pay attention to the fact that we have a black face down here. Okay, so this is a correct piece in its place. Here we should have also something like this one. So this is yellow, black, yellow, black. Here I should have a green, yellow. Here I should have green, black, which is here. I will move it up. Okay, so this is correct. These are correct, and this should come here. So I do it like this, and I need here a green and black, which is here. Here it is. Okay, so I have done my cross elements. Now I have to do the corners. So here I need a corner which is yellow, this one, which is yellow, black, black. Okay, but I need I can insert it here using the algorithm 2L U prime 2L U 2L, but you see that the yellow does not fit with this yellow. I will put it on again on the top, and I have to flip it. So I know that, in fact, to place correctly this piece here, white should be here and black should be here. We know already this rule. So I will flip it by the algorithm up to U, down, U, up, U, down. And here it is. I have to flip it again because I need white, yellow here. Up to U, down, U, up, down. And now I will insert it here. And here it is. Okay, I reversed, you know, we reverse this central line when you do the algorithm. To get it back to its normal position, we do a 2L to U, 2L to U, 2L to U. Okay, so this is correct. Now here I need to put this one here. Okay, this is a correct piece that will fit correctly here because I have green, yellow, and I have black on the top and the bottom is black. So I do the algorithm to right, to U, to R, and here it is, but I have reversed the central line, so 2L to U, 2L to U, 2L. Okay, so I have built these two. Now I have to put here this corner. In fact, this piece here belongs to where it is, but it has to be flipped. So I will put it up on the top. 2L, U, 2L, U prime, 2L, and I will flip it by the up to U, down, U, up, U, down. Flip it again, up to U, down, U, up, U, down. And now I can put it here, 2L, U, 2L, U prime, 2R, sorry, not 2L. And here it is, but yeah, and it's correct. Okay, there's no reverse in the central line. So I have built these two, and now I have to do the top. Okay, so to do the top I have to build first the cross. So the cross is red and I have to reverse these two. We use the algorithms that we usually use on a 3x3. Up, U prime, down, down. And now my cross is built. Now I need to check if the corners are correctly fitted. So this one is correct. This one is correct. But these two are not correct. So to let you see, I will flip the corners by using the algorithm up to U, down, U, up, U, down, and I put this again here, up to U, down, up, U, down, and you see that this is correct, but these two are not correct. So I need to swap these two. And we have learned on the 4x4 evil twin how to exchange or swap two adjacent corners. What we do, in fact, is that we will take this piece off its place and put it on this layer, and then get it back to its place using a second algorithm. So we kick it from here with a first algorithm, and then we put it back with a second algorithm. So how do we put it up? It's the algorithm that we usually use on a 3x3x3 when I want to put a piece from here to there. So it's like this. Okay, and the piece that I have removed from here is there. Now I have to put it back here using the algorithm 2L U, 2L U, 2L to U, 2L to U, 2L U, 2L U prime, 2L. Okay, let's look at the... Okay, I will build the cross, the red up, up, U prime, down, down. This is correct. This is correct. These two need to be swapped. No, they are correct. In fact, they do not. They need to be flipped. They are in their place. So I will flip the corners until I get the red on the top. So up to you, down, up, again, up to you, down. Okay. Now I keep this here and I do once more this algorithm, and the 3 red will be correct. Up to you, down, you, up, and down. Okay. So now I need to switch or to swap the... This is correct. The elements of the cross. This is correct. I need to... I will put the yellow here with this algorithm 2LU, 2LU, 2L to U, 2L to U, 2LU, 2LU prime, 2L. And then I will exchange these two opposite edges by the algorithm 2L to U, 2L to U, 2L to U. And the little cube is solved. Okay. I can get back to my cube by reversing the movements that I have just done. So if let's suppose that I forgot the movements that I have done. Okay, let's suppose that I did not remember them. Okay, I remember them. So, but I will try to create a situation where, let's say I forgot. Okay, it's like, okay, I solved this, but I did not remember how to bring back all these. We have to see here that, or we have to remark that we have the same structure in here, the same structure as the 2 by 2 by 2, and this element here is the same as this one, and all these blocks are like all the other blocks of a 2 by 2 by 2. So we will try to solve the rest without messing these blocks. We have to maintain these blocks as they are. So I will bring it back to its normal position by solving it like a 2 by 2, paying attention not to disturb these blocks, okay, and keep them as they are. So I see that I will try to build the yellow, for example. Okay, this is a yellow. Okay, and this yellow goes here, and I have built a yellow. Now I have to build this top layer like any 2 by 2. This is in its position. I need to place the other corners in their position, so I know that, and this is in its position. I need to swap these two, but so I will do the algorithm that exchanges two corners to RU to RU prime to R, rotation 2r u prime 2r u 2r, and I try to see if I have okay, this is here. This is correct. This is in its place. And these two, I think they need to be swapped. So first I will try to flip these two as I flip a corner in a 3x3 or a 2x2. So it's up to U, down, U, up, U, down, and L to U, down, and L. Okay. Now I need to flip these two using the R, U, R, 2R, U prime, rotation, 2R, U prime, 2R, U, 2R. I think I missed something. Okay, let's try again. Okay, this will come here. Okay, and now I have to swap these two to R, U, to R, and to R, U prime, to R, U, to R, and here it is. I got it back to its normal position.